my home awaits me, I will hasten there now. When? Now. If I so choose, I can depart this world entirely. When? Now. It is not death which makes this possible, but it is change of mind about the purpose of the world. If I believe it has a value as I see it now, so will it still remain for me. But if I see no value in the world as I behold it, nothing that I want to keep is mine, or search for as a goal. It will depart from me. For I have not sought for illusions to replace the truth. Father, my home awaits my glad return. Your arms are open, and I hear your voice. What need have I lingered in a place of vain desires and of broken dreams, when heaven can so easily be mine?